In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. If size of your font on this tablet is way too big, way too small, or simply just not right, I will show you how to adjust it in a couple of seconds. Don't worry, I adjusted font size on all devices I ever tested, so I got you. Firstly, open Settings. Then scroll to tap on Display section. Following that, scroll down again, this time to click on Font Size and Style. Finally, you can operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!